How to use Kindle on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this application on Android. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. So in this Android case, this is the interface and UI. Here, this is the home section, and here you'll be able to search for different books. Now on the top at the search bar, you can directly search for the book that you want to read. Now here on the bottom, there are different options like library and more. So let's go through it. Here, this is the library section. So this is the section where all your downloaded books and readable books are. And here on the more option, there are different settings available that you can choose from. So this is the interface in Android. It's quite easy using an Android because it has different tablet options too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.